Princess Gloria Makeup Salon. Hey there! It's time to do our makeup. Juliet, can you make me look fabulous? Can you help me look stunning? Shape my eyebrows with the tweezers. Great! Now wash my face, please. Rinse it. My skin is so fresh now. Apply a face mask. Spa is the easiest way to relieve my stress. Wait for a couple of minutes. It feels great. Apply foundation, please. Fill in my eyebrows. Your skin looks perfect. Thank you. Can you make me look fabulous? Apply lipstick, please. Nice color. Ah, very nice. Thank you. Can you make me look fabulous? Eyeshadow is the most important part of eye makeup. Let's add more colors. Some mascara for an awesome look. Thank you. Can you make me look fabulous? Dress me up, please. I like high heels. Can you make me look fabulous? I love shiny crystals. Ooh, very nice. Looks great. Can you make me look fabulous?